Good afternoon, it's me again. Now I'm at a friend's farm today. He's got some old bits and pieces, but he's got a couple of Volvo, I don't know what you call them, excavators, movers, sand movers, I have no idea what it's called. But they've been popular in the past, so I thought I'd show you these two. Now there's two here, now there's one for sale, well they're both for sale, but this one behind me, which I'm going to do first, he wants about £4 for it. Now I think that's cheap. And probably the other one, I don't know, probably half price because it needs a lot of work doing to it. But apparently all this one needs is some brakes sorting out on it. But let's have a look at it and see what you think. Anyway, on with the video. Thanks for coming on. Cheers. As we said, it's a Volvo BM. Now, I think it's in quite a good nick, really. As I say, the chap tells me that the brakes need sorting out on it. But apparently it fires up, runs. He's not here today, so I can't ask him to fire it up. But he's given me permission to film. Now, engine from that side, little forcing the diesel by the looks of things. If you remember, I've got another one on this top machine on the channel, and you know, perhaps you can get the idea from that. But as you can see, I can get all the way around it. Now the front door, I think, is missing. I'm not certain, but perhaps he'll tell me. It's got a bucket on it, and it's got the forks, what you put on it. Now I'm not certain if you put them on the bucket or whatever have you, but there you go. Now, I think there's not all rust on it. There's nothing. There's a little surface rust, as you can see up the top. And obviously, the seat's a bit tatty, but nothing that can't be sorted out. And the wiring. Let's show you the wiring. There's the wiring. Now that seat's sorted out, but obviously, people out there will know what they're doing if they're interested in these machines. All the linkage is perfect. Nothing wrong with the linkage. Good amount of tread on the tyres, the wheels. No leaks on the rams. You can see, no rust, no pitting. That one's the same. All grease points have been regularly greased. I wish I could find the proper number for it. But there you go. A lovely piece of kit. Now I'm sure someone out in YouTube land would want this. Now if you do want it, message me on Facebook and I'll put you in touch with the chap. Now he's a bit, obviously he doesn't want location and everything else because, you know, he's got his farm machinery. He does want it put about. But if you're interested in it, message me on Facebook or put a comment down below. But there's this one. Now, there's another one I'm going to take you around to. So I'll pause the video here and show you it. Now then, here's the second one. Now it's not as good as the first one. It's a bit in the undergrowth. But again, no door. Wiring needs sorting. Seat. But as you can see, it's all still there though. Let's see if I can cram around the back. Got a bit of junk over it, but I'm sure if you're interested, I can put you in touch. Ah, there's a number on this one. Let's see if I can get the number on this one. Alright. Let's have a look, see. So it's an LM621. Now this one obviously needs work doing to it, but I'm sure if you want to do a deal on both of them, or just the one, the best one, I'm sure I'll be up for it. It's got, the rear rims are a little bit looking into. Front tyres all up. Front tyres all up. Plenty of tread on them. Don't look like no rot in the side walls. rams all closed up, so no rust, no pitting. Let's have a look at the dipstick. Dipstick clean and tidy, no water in it, so I can get this back in one-handed now. There you go. It just needs someone to come along. I'm desperate to get these taken out of all this rubbish and put back. Someone out there must want it. Good, massive great weight on the back of these. Let's take it away. Go round the front. See this tyre? Yep, it's full of air. Tread's not as good as the other side, but still workable. Like I say, please get in contact with him and I'll pass you on. But you know how you like your Volvos. Anyway, let's get back to the other one. Right, we're back here. Let's see if I can find a number on it. As I say, this one, look at these tyres, all old air, both of them, old air. As I say, no pitting on the rams. Let's have a look up the stairs, all the glass is in touch, all the way round. Nice grasp beading on it. Just needs you out there to go and pick it up. Again, look at it, that tyre. I would say it's, well, I know it's not brand new, but it's not far off it. As I say, probably just do with a wire and sorting out on it, but these old girls have Plant and I, you know, it don't take a lot of wiring, it's probably just lights. Even the exhaust is still in good nick. Well, I think we've seen enough. I think you've seen enough. Right, I think we're bringing the videos to an end now. Thanks for coming along, and if you do like it, don't forget to give me a message, either on Facebook or description down below. On Facebook, I'm Out of Town with Robin Bell. Drop me a message on that. Say he definitely wants £4 for this, and he said he'd discuss the price on the other one. So if you want to take the two, I'm sure you can do a deal. Thanks a lot for coming along. See you again.